Hello and welcome to this video that'll hopefully save you a lot of grief. So you have copied over one of your classes and then you go to look at the grade book and it's like, ugh, none of these things got assigned to the right categories. Ah! So if you haven't done so, you need to make sure that you set up your categories first. Okay, this isn't really going to be as bad as you think it may be. So set up your categories first. There's a video that shows you how to do that. Once you've set up your categories, then it's time to move the stuff to where it should be. Now, it seems like it'd be like, okay, so one way you could do it is you could find, okay, well, this is the first draft of Writing Project 3. So I could click on this, and then I could go, well, let's see, that goes has to go into Writing Project 3. So right into Writing Project 3, I could do that, and it would move it. And continue. Okay. So now you would see that that is where it should be. Now, if you have to do that for all these, that would take a long time. We don't want to take a long time. Okay, let's do one more for giggles here just to show you. Okay, where would I want? Yeah, this one I'm going to put below it. This is the final draft. So the stuff for Writing Project 3 is where it should be. Okay, but now I got all this other stuff. Like, what am I supposed to? Oh, all these quizzes. Do I have to move these quizzes one by one? The answer is no. Okay, so what we're going to do to make this easy is we're going to find anything that's a quiz. Okay, so basic sentences, a quiz or an assignment. Okay, so I'm just going to check all these. Okay, not that one. That's email. Okay, not that one, not that one, not that one, not that one. Okay, that's a quiz, that's a quiz, that's a quiz. Quiz, it's not a quiz. That's a quiz, that's a quiz, that's a quiz, quiz, quiz. Nope. Okay, this is an assignment, so that's going to go in the same category under quizzes and assignments. Okay, gonna click all those. Go and click that one. All right, so these are the quizzes and the assignments. Fantastic. Yay! Yay. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to move the selected items, which were selected by the check mark, and we're going to move them over to the quizzes and assignments. Okay, and then it'll detect that you've done something. So now, when we look, oh look, all the quizzes and assignments were moved to where they should have been moved to. Ta-da! Isn't that easier than, yeah. Anyway, so let's do this for, okay, so for Writing Project 1, there's Writing Project 1. Where's other Writing Project 1? Writing Project 1, boom. And we want to move that to Writing Project 1. Continue. Kind of get the gist of this. All right, now we keep going down here. Let's see, Writing Project 2. So we need introduction, body paragraphs, conclusion, and then the final draft of Writing Project 2. That's all Writing Project 2 stuff. Writing Project 2. Continue. And what else we down? So I'm just going down here to see what's not been assigned yet. Okay, let's see. That is for the final portfolio. That's all final portfolio stuff. So we'll move that to the final portfolio. And that leaves me with this one. I'm just going to move the final exam. I'm just going to do this one manually because why not? Okay, that goes under final exam. Now, for me, just to let you know that there is this the student acknowledgement form. So again, if you look at any of the other form, any of this stuff, they have like a point value. Student acknowledgement form, I've assigned this as 0 points. This is just me tracking who's turned them in. So I just have to have a way in Moodle, and also that students can look on Moodle to see if I have on record that they submitted it. So again, that's just not in a category anyway, and it's not assigned any points, so it doesn't impact the grade. It's just a way of me tracking things. And then for good measure, I'll just hit Save Changes. So not as bad as it could have been. Okay, now if you want to, let's say you do, point of view is actually going to be before subject verb agreement. You could always just move them inside. So you're like, oh, I actually want that one point of view. I want to move that to a before subject verb agreement. You could do that. Just depending on in which order you're going to do it. I think plagiarism may be one of the first ones we're going to be doing. So if you want to have it in your grade book in the order that they're it's actually assigned, that's how you would move those around. Just saying, it's just a thing. Okay, so hopefully that'll help, and then from there you should have your gradebook set up. and you should be in good shape. Yay! All right, now go do it.